In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix not receiving requests notifications on Uber driver app. So if you are receiving notifications about requests from your Uber driver app, but all of a sudden you're no longer receiving these request notifications, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, so the main reason you're not receiving notification requests from the in-app is because this has been disabled on your app. To enable this, go to settings on your phone. And from settings, scroll down to apps. Then go to manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Uber driver, and here it is. Once you have tapped on this, head to permissions section, and under permissions, look for notifications. As you can see, we have all notifications disabled. With this off, you'll not see those notifications that you used to see. So here, you need to turn them on by just toggling on show notifications. By doing this, now you can see all notifications. Among them, allow permanent notifications, vibration, play sound, lock screen, floating notifications, as well as notification badges will be turned on. You can also manage these notifications by turning the ones you want on or off according to your preferences. So that's how you can fix this error. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Furthermore, you can adjust your notification preferences by going to the in-app settings to adjust or to turn on or off specific notifications. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.